When it comes to cooking, precision makes perfect, and that is exactly what the AEG food sensor delivers. The food sensor can be used on most cooking functions for anything from perfectly baking cakes to steaming fish or roasting meat. Here, we'll get you started by explaining the basic settings for cooking a roast chicken with the food sensor in your new AEG Command Wheel Oven. We'll be cooking using the steam function Humidity Low, so we'll first need to fill the water drawer, but you can simply use surround cook or conventional heat if you'd prefer. To start cooking, turn on, select heating functions, and then select your cooking function. Next, set the oven temperature to 180 degrees. We recommend placing the chicken on the trivet within your roasting tray to easily collect the juices and get better all-round cooking and crisping. Connect the sensor to the oven here, before inserting the probe into the thickest part of the chicken, as this point will take the longest time to cook, making sure ideally 3/4 of the food sensor is inside, or as much as possible. Next, select the probe icon and set the core temperature to 85 degrees. This will achieve a nice crispy skin and better colorization. You can also select whether you want an alarm to sound when the core temperature is reached or for the oven to switch off. Then press Start to begin. Remember, as we are cooking to a core temperature, we do not need to set a timer. The Humidity Low setting will combine 25% steam with 75% hot air, keeping the chicken tender and juicy, whilst creating a lovely crispy golden skin. Meanwhile, the food sensor will monitor the core temperature and let you know when your required target temperature has been reached. You can then remove the probe. For best results, we recommend allowing the chicken to rest for 30 minutes before serving. You'll find more information on the innovative food sensor in your user manual. However, if you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.